Hey guys, this is episode number 2 of our series 15 AI tools that will help you to make money. In this video, I will share 10 more AI tools that will help you for freelancing and content creation. First one is Perplexity AI. It's a research-focused AI tools. You can use it for marketing, research, reports, and content writing. Perfect for students, analysts, and researchers. This is similar to ChatGPT. And the second one is CANVA AI. Helps you to design thumbnails, posters, resumes, presentation, and social media posts. You don't need graphic design experience. You can earn by creating YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, or business ideas, etc. Many small business owners prefer Canva. And the third one is DESCRIPT AI. Allows you to edit videos and podcasts, text, etc. You can offer podcast editing and video editing service. DESCRIPT also have AI voice cloning, screen recording, and automatic subtitles, which saves a lot of time. Fourth one is PICTORY AI helps you to convert text block script into videos automatically. You just paste your text and Pictory creates a full video with the visuals, subtitles, and music. And the fifth one is Browse AI helps you to extract data from website without coding. You can scrap prices, job listing, products, or any public website data. Many companies need data but don't know automation. And the sixth one is ZAPIER AI helps you to automate tasks between apps. ZAPIER can automatically send emails or update Google Sheets. ZAPIER skills are highly paid in freelancing. No coding is required. This tool saves time and increases productivity. And the seventh one is BARDEEN AI. It's an AI automation tool that works directly in your browser. It helps automate repetitive tasks like copying data, managing CRM, and organizing leads. You can earn money by setting up custom automation for the sales team or operation. And the eighth one is LOOKA. It's an AI tool that helps to create logos, brand identity. You can earn money by offering logo design service without being a designer. And the ninth one is TYPEFORM. It's an AI-powered form and survey tool. It helps in business for collecting feedback, customer data, customer experience with the company reviews, etc. You can make money by offering this type of form for the customer. And the last one is OPUS script. It turns long videos into very short clips. It automatically finds the best moments and add a caption. You can earn money by offering short form content service for YouTubers and podcasters. Right now, short videos in high demand. So this is your time. Thank you.